Welcome Longs, zip code 29568 to your market update for April 2024. I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand. So in April, the average sales price was $315, $127, and you can't see my cursor going up, and so it's actually went down a little, but it's going up and down. If you look up at 2023, you'll see it kind of went up and down January through April, and now people are in town because it's the beginning of June. So you'll see in May that these have changed as well. Days on market 154, which is a little bit more than they've been. But you know what? They're building a lot in Longs, new construction, so we have more properties. Look, and this is good news, price per square foot is up. So that's awesome news. Even though our average sales price wasn't, the price per square foot was. And we look at the month's supply, that's because of all the building, 4.4%. We have 309 active listings, which is quite a bit more than we had in 2023, January through April, and then the same here. We have 84 pending sales and 85 closed sales. That's awesome. So build it and they will come, and this proves it. They're still selling. People are still moving here. So if you're looking to sell your home, or if you'd like to buy a home, please reach out to me. I've been doing this for 24 years and I'd love to help. 843-222-7800. Bye.